Good morning, Rex. Today is Friday, May 1st, which makes today Batman Day. Yeah, I wish. Today's April Fool's Day, Wednesday, April 1st. Don't do an April Fool's joke today. We got three things that sound like April Fool's jokes, and they're not for you today. There will be school in session next week. What it looks like will be a little bit different, but the idea that there is nothing going on, as we kind of alluded to over the last few days, is out the door.
Busted.
So we're sticking around. We're going to be available every day, and you should be too, especially if you're a little bit behind on work, because the end of the marking period is going to be next Friday, April the 10th. It might be sooner depending on when your teacher is closing their workbook, but the end of the third marking period is coming up, and those grades are going to be really important to determine where you sit for the rest of the year. So make sure that you take care of things over these next 9 or 10 days. And not only for grading, but this is going to be the toughest month overall. If you're listening to the news or anything, we're doing a good job, but this is going to be the toughest 2 weeks here. And it's going to bleed over into that through the end of the month, where there's going to be a lot of death occurring at a rate that we couldn't even think about, really. It's going to be a tough month, but we have to keep pushing. We have to make sure that we are avoiding anything that's going to put us in a hospital, because they are certainly going to be filled up. So that's the things we have for today. Today's birthday is Beyonce.
Happy birthday.
Beyonce, happy birthday to her. That's all we have for today. Keep learning, keep attacking, and have a great day, Rex.